Friends, so in this video we will learn about how to extract the date or how to extract only time from the specific column. Okay, so now here custom column, get add custom column. So if I want only date, then I will simply write here. Now here date and time both include, but I need only date. So date and time format, and remember column name, current date is time, insert. So only date will return. So this is only date. Now I need only time. Okay, so again I will add custom column, only time, date, time. So here this time I will write only time and bracket this here. So this method extract date from date and time, and this only time extracted only time from date and time by using M language edit करी. Thanks for watching.